Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see question number 5 from exercise 1.2 chapter number 1 rational number. Okay. So in the previous video student we had already completed exercise 1.1, exercise 1.2 question number 1 to 4. So today in this video we are going to see question number 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Hope you people understood question number 1 to 4, because similar to question number 4 we are going to see question number 5, 6 and 7. It is similar, no difference will be there. Okay, now let's start the question. So what is said here in this question number 5, it says that we have to find 5 rational number between 2 to 2 by, we have to find how many rational number? 5 rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. This is the first part of the question. This is the second part of the question number 5, and this is the third part of question number 5. Okay, so in all these three parts we have to find 5 rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Then again 5 rational number between -3 to -3 upon 2 and 5 by 3. Then again 5 rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So dear student, we have to find how many rational number over here? 5 rational numbers between these numbers. Clear? So starting with question number 5, first part we are having find 5 rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now you can look the number. Easily you can look the question, that is question we are having 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Since the number is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, this is the number we are having. Now look at denominator. The denominator is what? The denominator is 3 and 5. Denominators are 3 and 5. Since the denominator is 3 and 5, we can, by seeing the denominator, it is very clear that the denominators are unlike term, isn't it? So we have to convert it into like term. So while convert it into a like term, what we are going to do, student? We are going to take the LCM. So taking the LCM of this number, which two numbers we are going to take the LCM? Which the number we are having? 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Taking the LCM of which two numbers we are going to take? That is 3 and 5. So what will be the LCM of 3 and 5? Obviously that will be 15, isn't it? Everybody knows this, isn't it? Now since the LCM is 15, so what we are going to see over here, after converting the denominator, as it is an unlike term, we are converted into a like term by taking this LCM 15. Now what we have to do, by which number the first term, that is 2 by 3, will be multiplied in order to get the LCM, will be multiplied and divided in order to get the LCM 15. Okay, so 3 5s is 15, so that 5 will be multiplied and divided in numerator and denominator both. Okay, so 2 5s are 10 we are having. In the same way for the second term, that is 4 by 5, by which number the this denominator 5 will be multiplied in order to get the LCM 15. So 5 3s are 15 and same will be multiplied in the numerator also. So 4 3s is 12, isn't it? Now look at student, how many numbers we are having? 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. How many? What is the number we got over here? That is 10 upon 15, okay, and 12 upon 15. This number we got. Now between these two numbers we can find how many rational numbers? That is only one rational number, because after 10 11 is coming and after 11 12 is coming. So how many rational number we are getting? Only one rational number between 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Since we want how many rational number between these two, that is 5 rational number we want. So what we are going to do? Yesterday in the previous video also I told you that you have to multiply the LCM by a greater number. Okay, so since here we are having 15, so what we are going to do, if suppose this 15 is going to be multiplied with 2, we will get 30, isn't it? The same number will be multiplied with the numerator also. So I will show you that if suppose what the number we are having, that is 10 by 15. If this 10 by 15 is going to be multiplied with 2, so we are having 20 by 30. And what is the next number? That is 12 upon 15, isn't it? When it will be again multiplied with 2, you will get 30 and here 24. Now between 20 to 24, how many rational numbers are there? 21, 22, 23. Again 3 are there. That means more we want, since 5 rational number we want. That's why what we are going to do? Again we are going to multiply with 3, then again a very short numbers are coming, then finally we are going to multiply it with 4. मतलब कहने का मतलब ये है कि आपको मल्टीप्लाई करके देखना है उसके एलसीएम को. एलसीएम 15 है तो 15 को पहले 15 आ गया, 15 में जैसे हमारे पास सिर्फ एक रैशनल नंबर आया है 11 बाई 15, तो वो कम पड़ रहा है, तो उसको ज़्यादा बढ़ाने के लिए फिर क्या करेंगे, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके देखेंगे. तो 2 से करेंगे तो फिर से 3 रैशनल नंबर है, वो भी सफिशेंट नहीं है. फिर 3 से करके देखेंगे, 4 से करके देखेंगे, 5 से करके देखेंगे. ऐसे करके हमको एलसीएम को मल्टीप्लाई करके आगे बढ़ाते जाना है. तब तक बढ़ाते जाना है जब तक कि हमको 5 एग्जैक्टली 5 रैशनल नंबर ना मिल जाए. सो हियर व्हेन वी विल सी दैट व्हेन 10 upon 15 will going to multiplied with 4, we will get the number 40 upon 60, and in the same way when 12 upon 15 is going to multiply with 4, numerator and denominator both, we will get 48 upon 60. Now between 40 upon 60, how many rational number will be there? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, then 48 upon 60. Whole the 60 will be there, isn't it? So how many rational numbers since we want? We want only 5 rational numbers. These are the rational numbers which is present between 40 upon 60 to 48 upon 60. Since we want only 5 rational numbers, so we are going to take 41 to 45. Okay, so if it is asked to take the rational number, the 6 rational number, then 41 upon 60, 42 upon 60 dash dash will going on up to 46 upon 60. If it is asked 7, then it will be 47 upon 60, isn't it? So in this way you have to solve and see. It's a very familiar method, student. Okay, easy method, you can solve it. If having any doubt, can directly ask. Okay, now next question. For the fifth question, second part, we are having minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Here we are having a negative sign numbers, isn't it? So since we can see that their denominators are different, so we are going to find the LCM. So what will be the LCM of 2 and 3? That will be 6, isn't it? Now by which number this 3 by 2, that means denominator 2 will be multiplied to get the LCM 6, that will be 3 itself, isn't it? So 2 3s are 6, so minus 3 into minus 3 into 3 will be 9, and 2 3s are 6, so here we are getting this number. Then in the same way the second part of the question, that is 5 upon 3, the denominator 3 will be multiplied with by which number to get the LCM 6, so that number will be 2, and the same number will be multiplied in the numerator also. So what the number finally we got after multiplication, that number is minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. So between minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6, how many rational number will be going to lie? Let's see. So minus 9 by 6, then after minus 8 by 6, isn't it? Then after minus 7 by 6, minus 6 upon 6, then 0, or you can write minus 5 by 6 also, then comma minus 4 by 6, comma minus 3 by 6, comma minus 2 by 6, comma minus 1 by 6, 0, then 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, dash 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 up to which, that is 10 by 6. So while seeing this, we can say that many rational number lies between minus 9 upon 6 to 10 upon 6. So out of that many rational numbers, we can take any 5 rational number. Why we are taking any 5 rational number? Because in this question here only it is asked to take only 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 to minus 5 by 3. That's why. Clear everyone? Okay. Next question for the fifth part, third question we are having. Here in this question again it is said that you have to find the 5 rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay. So since the denominators are different, isn't it? Since the denominators are different, we are going to take the LCM of the denominator. So what will be the LCM of the denominator? That is 4 and 2. That will be 4 itself. Everybody know how to take the LCM. So when the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4 itself, then what is the next step? By which number the denominator 4 will be multiplied to get the LCM 4. Since 1 by 4 is there, denominator 4 is only present, so only 1 we will multiply with 1 itself. Then the second number is 1 by 2, by which number this denominator 2 will be multiplied to get the denominator 4, LCM 4, isn't it? So that will be multiplied with 2, and the same 2 will be multiplied with the numerator also, so 2 we will get. Now you can see that between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4, how many rational number will going to be like? That is 1 by 2, half, isn't it? Since we can see that no rational numbers lies is not sufficient, because we want 5 rational number over here, isn't it? So what we are going to do, student? Again we are going to multiply the numerator denominator by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many we want, that many times we have to multiply and see. Since here the number is going to be multiplied with 8. Look, okay, पहले उसको 2 से 3 से 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करके देखना. सफिशेंट 5 रैशनल नंबर अगर नहीं मिलता जाएगा तब जा कर के वो उसको 5, 6, 7, 8 तक ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ठीक है. Since I am giving you the solution here directly multiplied with 8, then you will can multiply. But while doing in the exam, how you will know that 8 will be going to be multiplied, then only we will get 5 rational number. So for that only I am telling, you have to multiply it by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then only you will get the required answer. तभी तुमको समझ भी आएगा. Okay. Now here what we did, we had going to multiply 1 by 4 with denominator and numerator will be going to multiplied with 8. So we will get the number as 8 by 2. Okay. Next number, when 2 by 4 will be multiplied with 8, we will get the required number as 16 by 2. And remember one more thing, student, always try to multiply the number with the same. When you had taken the LCM, and after taking the LCM, when we are going to take the LCM, when it is an unlike term, when we are going to take the LCM, we are going to convert that particular unlike term into a like term, isn't it? So that particular like term only we have to multiply and see. Okay. Now between 8 upon 32, how many rational numbers will going to be like? That is 9 upon 32, 10 upon 32, 11 upon 32, 12 upon 32, 13 upon 32. Since 5 it is asked, we are going to stop in the 13th upon 32. Okay. If it is asked that many more than 5, then we can take 14 upon 32, 15 upon 32. Okay. So here we are going to take only 5 rational number, because 5 it is asked, that's why. Clear everyone? Hope you people understood the question, dear student. If you don't understood the question, please ask me. I'm always ready to clear your doubt. But please message and ask me, okay? Then question number 6. In question number 6, write 5 rational number greater than minus 2. So 5 rational number हमको लिखना है जो 2 से minus 2 से बड़ा हो. It is said greater than 2, greater than minus 2. Okay, so 5 rational number which is greater than minus 2 is minus 1 is greater than 2, 0 is greater than 2, plus 1 is greater than 2, plus 2 is greater than 2, plus 3 is a greater than 2. If you want to take in the form of a numerator and denominator can take like this also. Okay, so here we are having the numbers greater than -2 are -3/2, -1, -1/2, 0, 1/2, like this. We can take many more like +1, +2, +3. Okay, any 5 we have to take it over here. So it's a simple question, nothing there to explain. Now in the question number next, since this is the last question of chapter number 1, here in this question, after doing this question we had completed the chapter 1. Okay, so let's see what is said in question number 7. In question number 7 again it is said that find 10 rational number between 3/5 and 3/4. Okay, how many rational number it is asked? 10 rational number. So for 10 rational number, what we have to do? Since the number, look the denominator, what is the denominator? 5 and 4. So it is an unlike term. So what we are going to do over here? We have to take the LCM of 5 and 4. So what will be the LCM of 5 and 4? That is 20. Okay. Now, since LCM is 20, then what we are going to do? We are going to convert 3/5 will be multiplied, this 5 denominator 5 will be multiplied by which number to get the LCM 20, isn't it? So 5 4s is 20, so that 4 will be multiplied with the numerator also. So 3 4s is 12. Clear? Then again the second number is 3/4. By which number this denominator 4 will be multiplied to get the LCM 20, isn't it? So it will be multiplied with 5. So the numerator also going to be multiplied with 5. So 3 5s is how much? 15. Now look, 15 upon 20 and 12 upon 20 and 15 upon 20. How many rational number is going to be lie between this? That is 13 upon 20. Then 13 after 14 upon 20. So only 2 rational number is going to lie between 12 upon 20 and 15 upon 20, which is not sufficient, since in the question it is asked about 10 rational number. So dear student, what we have to do? We have to multiply and see. Okay, for the multiplication, what with the number we are having? That is 12 upon 20. Okay, and the number 15 upon 20. This number we have to going to be multiplied the numerator and the denominator by such a number so that we can get a 10 rational number. So जब आप 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपको 10 से कम रैशनल नंबर मिलेगा. 3 से डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो कम 10 रैशनल नंबर नहीं मिलेगा. So for that what you have to do? You have to multiply it by such a number so that you will get. Let me tell you, if you are going to multiply by 2, what is that? 24 upon 40. And if you are going to multiply here again by the 2, same number से multiply करना है दोनों numbers को. So here 30 and 40. So here between 30 and 40, how many rational number will be there? 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. So 2, 2, 4 and 5. Only 5 rational number is going to be C. If you are going to multiply the same, that is 12 upon 20 and 15 upon 20 by the number 3. What you will get? Here 6, then 3 36. Here it will be 60. Here 5s are 15. Carry 1 3 4 45 and again 60. Now between this 45 and 60, how many numbers? 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, like this will be. So again we can see that, isn't it? So in this way you have to multiply. It is not sufficient, then multiply it 4. Then finally we are going to multiply that number by 8. Okay, so here the number 12 upon 20 will be going to be multiplied with 8. So that way the answer will be 96 upon 160, and 15 upon 20 will be multiplied with the number 8. You will get the required answer as 120 upon 160. Clear? Now you can see that between 96 upon 160 to 120 upon 160, how many rational number is going to be like? So here you can see that 97 upon 60, 98 upon 60, 99 upon 160, 100 upon 160, 101 upon 160, 102 upon 160, goes on up to 106 upon 160. So these are the 5 rational number which lies between 3 by 5 to 3 by 4. Clear up to here? So dear student, we had completed our chapter number 1. It's a very small chapter carrying only 2 exercise. Remember one thing, we are going to deal with only NCERT book. हम लोग सिर्फ NCERT book से ही पढ़ रहे हैं, कोई दूसरा book हम लोग use नहीं कर रहे हैं. So be careful while purchasing the book. Okay, only purchase the NCERT book. Clear everyone? And try to write the notes in your max copy. Okay, tomorrow we will going to start chapter number 2. Clear? So for today, thank you everyone. Stay safe in your home. Thank you.